Hello. So for this assignment, I picked 3 strategies that I want to share with you guys. So for general classroom adaptations and accommodations, I wanted to talk about the use of Realia. Realia is an object from real life that teachers can bring to school and share with their students. Some examples may include, for instance, if she wanted to talk to students about different colors, she could bring, a red ball or a purple string, or she could bring real life objects that are different colors to show them. Or if she wanted to do textures, she could bring sandpaper so kids could see the different texture of sandpaper, or bubble wrap, or something really soft like a teddy bear. So there's a bunch of different ways that teachers can bring Realia into the classroom. The strategy can benefit all students, general education students, as well as English language learners and special education students too. So let's see, I wanted to show you guys a quick little video. Okay, you just hear her talk about it for a minute.
If I want to integrate in Realia into that task, I could bring objects to the classroom. I have some fun ones here for us to look at. Maybe I could bring objects based by color. Here you have an orange ball and you have blue envelopes with orange and blue. I could also do them by size or texture. This would be a soft item, just to give you some ideas. And I could lay out all these little items and have the students sort them. Even young children are able to sort.
So I thought that was a nice little video. She shows a few examples, but there's so many different ideas out there that you can use, or create your own ideas to bring Realia into the classroom. So I'll go back to this. Let me scroll down to the next strategy I want to discuss. So it's for strategies for checking for understanding formative assessment ideas. So what I want to talk about is Popsicle Sticks with students' names. Let's see. So most of you are probably familiar with this. It's an oldie but a goodie. My teacher used this when I was younger, and maybe some of your teachers did too. It's just a nice, quick way for, if a teacher's doing a lesson or wants to see where her students are at, she can just grab a popsicle stick and with their name on it. So she'll have all of her students' names on the popsicle stick. And when she pulls the stick, she will call whoever's name's on it. So it helps students, pay attention and be focused. And I think it's just a great way for teachers to assess their students. This is a formative assessment. It's just a quick check to see where they're at, so she can mentally note it until she wants to do another type of formative assessment. Okay, so I'm going to move on to my last strategy. So for improving attention, I want to talk about wobbly chairs and fidget toys. So the last class that I substituted in, I was a long-term substitute. I was in a mild mod classroom, and we had quite a few different tools for students to use to help them keep on task in class and stay engaged. So this is a wobbly chair. We had quite a few wobbly chairs. we had some regular chairs, and then we had a few students that sat on these. So these would just sit on top of the regular school chair. We didn't have any bouncy bands, but I've heard of these before. We did have some fidget toys for students to play with. Let me see if it'll let me take it there. Or if not, I can just zoom in. So there's a bunch of different little things that students can just sit there and kind of fidget with while they're sitting in their seat. If it's becoming too distracting for them, you know, you have to tell them you have to still pay attention, but that's something that you can, you know, use to play with while you're learning. So it's just important to remind them that they still need to focus and pay attention to the lesson or what the teacher is saying. I think there might be another couple ones right here. There's some fun ones that I've seen. They have also the actual fidget spinner, but I haven't seen anyone use that in the classroom. But those are my 3 strategies. Thank you.